Hello folks, today I am putting these speakers in my front doors on my 94 Geo Prizm, and I will show you how this is done. It's a very simple trick, really. I mean, the first thing you do is just remove your door crank, your door handle, pop the entire inner lining out, and then the speaker harness will be right here. I will show you this here in just a second. Okay, now that I've tucked the entire inner side of the door off, here's our brand new speaker, and there's the old one. As you can see, yeah, see, it's rotted all the way around. So yeah, I'm definitely replacing it with the brand new, same thing as, well, almost the same as what's in there. You just take out your screws, your connector, and then that's pretty much the bottom line, and then it's done. Alright, once you've taken your speaker loose from your door, you'll see that there's a harness here, so it doesn't connect basically like what the brand new one does. So you can see right here, all you gotta do is just desolder, and then just resolder the connection to this one, and then just plug it into the car door. Okay, now when you've taken the speaker loose and you're going to use an old wire clip for a new speaker, the best way to do this, you can buy a new one, you know, and it's your preference if you wanted to, but the best thing to do, I mean, if you want to save some money, is just clip it loose and then take these old wires, you know, cut them a little bit, splice them, and then just resolder them to your new speaker wire. And when you do that, you've just saved yourself some money, because these wires, yeah, I get the fact that they're old, but at the same time, you're running a speaker. It's not like you're going to run a TV off of it or anything. It's just a speaker. So most likely these wires are still in pretty decent shape.
And with a little help
there you
from
go.
College
As you can
Nursing,
see,
it
is
be your
working.
year too.
That's
With
all
small
it took,
classes,
folks, to
early
install a
hands-on
brand new
education,
speaker.
and a commitment.
As in, you know, our 4-inch. And it's mounted back into the 94 Geo Prizm. So that's how it's done. Remember, all you got to do is solder the old wire to the new speaker, connect, and you're done. Now we just put the door back together. Put the door liner back together, and that'd be the end of it.